This dog is so scared of fireworks. No, 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 no. She's trying to get behind my chair. She's trying to get behind my chair.
You know?
Yeah. Look, she's like, Daddy, please bring me inside.
Psych.
She's trying to hide, and I'm trying to... Would you stop? That's so mean.
It's funny.
She's like, Dad, and then she goes behind my chair, and it's about to knock this over. She's a... Who are you Jason? It's okay, baby. Timber. Timber, stop. Let her in. She's scared. It's okay. Come on, sit. I know. I got you. Sit. She wants nothing of it. Jason,